Loubia. Algerian green beans with almonds. A side dish from Algeria. Serves
You will
for
need
8 ingredients. Step 1. Clean and trim green beans. Simmer in lightly salted water until just tender, about 30 to 45 minutes. Drain and put in serving dish. Step 2. Put remaining ingredients, except almonds, in a saucepan over medium heat and cook for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the almonds and stir briefly to coat. Step 3. Pour the oil mixture over the green beans and toss gently until beans are thoroughly coated. Serve warm. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.